Today I'm reviewing the ROVECTIN Water Lotus Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so this one I picked out, I believe it's from the Wish Trend site a while ago. I needed an extra product to get me up to shipping, and this one looked pretty good. So now I'm excited to share my thoughts on it with you. ROVECTIN calls their Clean Lotus Water Cream a gentle moisturizer that enhances the look and hydrates your skin with only clean ingredients sourced from nature for sensitive and dry skin. Okay. So, and I will talk about Lotus in a moment. So, packaging, nothing too exciting about it. A squeeze bottle, squeeze tube, no issues with that. There are no denatured or drying types of alcohol in this, so that's always a good thing. And this is also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent at all. It's made in Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So you can use this one in your morning or evening routine. I found I like using my evening routine because that's when I go crazy with the layers. But recommend after cleansing, toning, and treatment products. Dispense it into the palm of your hand and then smooth it over your skin. If you have any other thicker moisturizers, use them first and then use this one first and use the thicker products after. It absorbs pretty quickly and sets to kind of a natural finish, which is nice. Plays well with other products. I found my neck is very sensitive, but my neck really enjoys this cream. It doesn't enjoy everything, but it works well on my super dry neck area. And works well in morning or evening routine. I've just found I like using it better in my evening routine. And yeah, no issues with pilling. Plays well with other products. Everything like that. So very easy to use. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got the Nelumbo nucifera, which is the lotus flower. And the extract from lotus flowers is full of lots of vitamins and antioxidants that are very beneficial to the skin. It's very rich in antioxidants and great for hydrating the skin, restoring the skin's natural complexion, also helping diminish the look of fine lines, and also can help brighten skin. So the lotus extract also contains flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamins. So I haven't seen it in a lot of products, but this one seems to have a lot of it. And I will say I've noticed my skin to look a little bit brighter when I added this into my routine. So seems to be very helping. And also we've got a high amount of niacinamide in this one. And if you watched my video yesterday, you know niacinamide is great for brightening the skin, helping with fine lines, helping prevent acne, and hydrating the skin. So niacinamide is great. This one's got a good amount of it in there. We've also got sweet almond oil, which is an emollient that comes from almonds. It's very similar to other plant oils. It's loaded with nourishing fatty acids such as oleic acid and linoleic acid. So very good ingredient. Also contains several other skin goodies such as vitamin E. And then we've also got Xylitylglucoside, Xylitol, Panthenol, and Hydroxyethylcellulose, which are all glucose humectant ingredients. And then we've got Allantoin, which is a good skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. So overall, this product is full of a lot of good hydrating ingredients and a few antioxidants. So also I use this a lot to mix, like if I'm using a retinol and certain nights I don't want it to go on full strength, I'll mix a pump of it with that. So it seems to work well for that. Then we've got, in terms of animal testing, this product is vegan as well as cruelty-free, so no issues with that. Performance, so it's a nicely hydrating cream, leaves your skin feeling soft and moisturized. I've actually been starting to use this on the back of my hands sometimes when my hands are very super dry. It's nice because it's hydrating, but it doesn't make your skin look or feel greasy at all. It just feels soft and hydrated. Works well, performs well in the night morning routines. It does contain a few acneogenic ingredients. Obviously, sweet almond oil can be a very acneogenic ingredient as well as a fungal acne trigger. Then we've also got hydrogenated polyisobutene. So a couple, not a ton, but a few to be aware of. The price for this one, you can't beat it. Well, you can, I guess, but it's not easy. So this is a full size, which is 2.1 ounces, 60 milliliters, and it retails for about $18. So for a good moisturizer, that's pretty affordable. Then when it comes to the it factor, really like this one. Nice, hydrating, skin-soothing moisturizer. Works great with other products. Plays well with them. Works nicely with retinols, exfoliants. I love that it's fragrance and alcohol-free. Mostly acne-prone skin friendly. Super affordable. Well-packaged. Yeah, cruelty-free. It's got everything I look for in a product. A few more antioxidants might have been more exciting. But overall, this is still a great moisturizer that most people can use without issues. So, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. I'm trying to remember if this is the first ROVECTIN product I've officially reviewed. But, anyway, I'll definitely review more because they've impressed me with this one. So, anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to pick this one up yet. And if you have, what your thoughts are on it. So, leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.